But today I'm going to show how to apply branding to the Salesforce org. So let's say I have this case where companies want to place their branding on the Salesforce org, still in Salesforce. So what I'm going to do is go to theme and setting, theme and branding. They're going to apply a new theme, and I'm going to use this clock incorporated. And so I'm going to add in the company's image, the brand image. So then we're going to place the color. The color is a purplish color. So I'm going to add it here, up in here somewhere. I'm going to save it. Now, after it's saved, we have to activate it. And see, as you see now, we have that company's, we have that logo up here. And now also you see that the company's purple is showing up. So if we go to an app, let's go to service. And here we go. We have, if we go to accounts, we view all the accounts. And you see it's in that purple. It has all that purple company logo, the underlining here, the lining, the bordering. It's all in the purple. So this is how you will apply branding and theming to Salesforce org. Thank you.